everyone, welcome back to MVP Auto Review. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 396. Yes, you heard that right, the Impala SS is back, and it's bringing serious muscle with it. After years of rumors and speculation, Chevy has revived one of its most iconic performance sedans, and they've done it in a way that blends classic American power with modern-day precision and technology. So buckle up, because this isn't just a nameplate revival, it's a statement. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the 396 cubic inch V8. That's right, Chevrolet is paying homage to the legendary big block heritage, but this time it's re-engineered for the modern era. The new 396 is part of Chevy's next-generation small block family, displacing 6.5 liters and featuring aluminum construction, variable valve timing, direct injection, and cylinder deactivation for efficiency. The numbers: a staggering 540 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission, with an available 6-speed manual for purists. That's a move enthusiasts have been begging for, and Chevy delivered. The Impala SS 396 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds, making it the quickest Impala ever built. Top speed, around 180 miles per hour, electronically limited. Chevy's engineers say this new SS was designed to go head-to-head with the Dodge Charger Scat Pack and even nip at the heels of European sports sedans like the BMW M5 and Audi 7 rupees, but at a much more accessible price point. Now, performance means nothing without control, and the 2026 Impala SS doesn't disappoint there either. Underneath, it rides on a reworked Alpha 2 platform, the same lightweight chassis used in the Cadillac CT 5-volt Blackwing. That means perfect 50-50 weight distribution, adaptive magnetic ride suspension, and Brembo 6-piston brakes up front. The steering is sharp, the body control is taut, and yet, it still rides like a proper Grand Tourer when you're just cruising down the highway. On the exterior, Chevy has absolutely nailed the styling balance between retro inspiration and modern aggression. The body is sleek, wide, and low-slung, with a fastback-style roofline and muscular haunches that give it that unmistakable SS stance. The front end features a blacked-out grille with the classic SS badge, flanked by slim LED headlights and a subtle power bulge on the hood. Around back, the quad exhaust tips and thin LED taillights pay tribute to the Impala lineage while signaling this car's modern capabilities. Optional 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires complete the look. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that blends performance cues with upscale comfort. The cabin features sport bucket seats with contrast stitching and embroidered SS logos, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and real aluminum trim throughout. The driver's cockpit is dominated by a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen running Chevy's latest software, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Bose sound system, wireless charging pad, and ambient lighting come standard. You also get available carbon fiber accents, a suede headliner, and even an optional red and black interior package for that full muscle car vibe. Of course, the Impala SS 396 doesn't ignore safety and tech. You get all the advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and even hands-free driving capability with Chevy's Super Cruise system. That means you can let the car handle certain stretches of highway driving while you just sit back and enjoy the ride. Chevrolet has also done something interesting with drive modes. There's a comfort mode for daily commuting, sport and track modes that sharpen everything up, and a custom mode where you can tune throttle response, exhaust note, suspension firmness, and steering feel. And yes, there's a launch control feature that'll make every stoplight feel like the start of a drag race. Fuel economy isn't the main selling point here, but with cylinder deactivation and start-stop technology, you can still expect around 20 miles per gallon combined, which is impressive for something packing over 500 horsepower. The Impala SS 396 is expected to start at around $58,000, with fully loaded models pushing close to $70,000, still a bargain compared to its European rivals offering similar performance. Production is rumored to begin in early 2026 at Chevy's Detroit Hamtramck facility, with deliveries slated for late that year. What really makes this car exciting, though, is what it represents: a return to form for Chevrolet performance sedans. In an era dominated by electric power and SUVs, the Impala SS 396 stands as a tribute to raw, old-school muscle that's been refined for a new generation. It's got the sound, the soul, and the swagger that made the SS badge legendary, but it's also got the brains and technology to thrive in today's automotive world. So, is the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 396 the rebirth we've all been waiting for? From what we've seen so far, absolutely. It's bold, it's fast, and it carries that unmistakable Chevy DNA. If this is the future of American muscle sedans, then it's looking pretty bright. Thanks for watching MVP Auto Review. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you take the new Impala SS 396 over a Charger Scat Pack or a BMW M5? Until next time, keep the rubber burning and the engines roaring.